Shot!
Ayos, bakit gano'n? Nagalit si Bones. Bakit gano'n, Ons?
Out. 15 love. Pusot. 30 love.
Game na. Game. Busy na lang, busy.
Nice.
Tournament, diba, in honor of our beloved, lovely Naromi. Doon na siya pumapalo ngayon sa taas eh. Nag-i-invite ko, sabi ko wag muna. Muna. I-invite. Lalo daw siya ka-doubles. Okay, so I'm sure, diba, I'm sure naman nandun siya, nasa dito. Diba, he's watching over us, diba, masaya siya, diba, kasi, diba, so, super successful yung event. We'd like to thank, of course, Myro and Isabi, diba, for making this event possible. And of course, all of the members that were located in the dito. Ano ba unang nandito, May?
Huwag mo naman yung lakasan.
Okay. Nasa pinakaantay nyo. Diba? Ano to? Ano yung house and land? Yes. Okay na, now for the third place. Diba? Let's give a round of applause to Team C. Unang-una sa Team C. Joseph! Let's go! Bali mo na.
Wow, umamin ko na pala.
So free. Hindi mo pre.